Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the Contacts application. From here, tap on the Settings icon, navigate to Import Export Contacts. Import contacts, choose your SIM card. Now for me it's SIM 1, for you it could be SIM 1 or 2. Select it, and this will show you all the contacts that are on the SIM card. So from here you can quickly check all of them by tapping right here. And if you don't want all of the contacts, but as an example, majority of them, you can also use this and then deselect contacts that you don't want. At which point, once you have everything selected, click on Import button, and that's it. The contacts have now been imported. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.